You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names for more confusing names of famous places, especially in Australia, and correct pronunciations. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got more coming up for you. Goonoo Goonoo. I know it's twice the same word in the spelling, but it's not twice the same pronunciation. Goonoo Goonoo Goonoo. Should be Goonoo Goonoo, right? But yeah, I don't know. Goonoo Goonoo Station. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.